How to connect Spotify to your smart television. So in this video, I'll show you how you can play your Spotify music through your TV. Now, first thing you'll need to do is make sure your television and your mobile phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So you can see right here on my iPhone that I'm currently connected to this Wi-Fi. And I need to make sure this is the same Wi-Fi network on my television as well. Now, once you've done this, you can go and load up Spotify on your smartphone. And then you'll just need to locate and start playing the song you want to share over to your TV. Now, once the song's playing, you'll see these speaker icons in the bottom left-hand side. Go and click on this. And here it will say play on your devices. Click on the drop-down arrow. And you'll need to select Go to Settings. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on and enabled, and also make sure local network is turned on as well. Once you've done this, you can head back over to Spotify and click on the speaker icon once again. You should then be able to find your TV in the list, go and select it, and now your Spotify music should start playing through your TV. If it's not working, then just make sure your phone and your television are connected to the same Wi-Fi.